I'm today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on that device. So first we should open the notification panel, and here now just to add or remove some icons or just to change their positions, we should click here on this edit icon. Now we can see here our visible icons, and here we have our invisible features. Now just to add some icons here, for example, we should, for the screen lock, hold it and drag it here to this up section. By the same way we can add here more icons, for example the microphone access or storage icon, and after that just save the changes, just go back, and now we can see here there's four more icons on our notification panel. Also, just to remove some icons from here, just hold it and drag it here to this down section, and to change the positions here, so just hold and drag them. So by this way we can see that we can edit our notification panel shortcuts. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.